All right, welcome back to my channel. We are still here in Bangkok. We just arrived at the Platinum Night Market, which is right in front of the Fashion Mall. Yeah, the Fashion Mall. Here in Bangkok, you have a lot of malls, and this mall is known for having cheap clothing. If you're like into fashion, makeups, and whatnot, this is the right mall. However, what you're doing now is the night market, which is mostly for food, a bit of clothing, as always. As you can see, it's pretty long, it's pretty big, it's full of things, it's quite crowded, and now it's roughly around like 6:30 p.m. here in Bangkok, so it's not that late yet, and it's already this crowded. As always, we're gonna try some samples, maybe buy a snack or two, and we'll see how the night goes. Okay, this mall is huge. It's a mega mall, as always. It's Bangkok. All they have are mega malls for a good reason. Mad crazy. So for now, let's try to find something new we haven't tried yet. That is gonna be a huge challenge though, because like pretty much all these night markets they sell similar and almost pretty much the same. So it then comes down to what you wanna try again, what was good, what is good, and so on. So yeah, we are still walking. All right, just a quick overview. In this junction alone, you have three malls, which I can count. They both have night market, so we're also gonna go check out the night market on that direction and see what they have. But first, the first challenge is we have to cross the road. Luckily, here in Bangkok, people obey the traffic lights, so it's not gonna be hard to cross the road. Pretty much, when it turns green, you go. While it's green, Papi is green. Well, I guess they have the rights to go as well. And we are crossing the road. This is just another day here in Bangkok. Sorry, Palladium. So that is Palladium, and that is well, we shall see in a bit. Okay, it's green again. This is a little bit more than I was expecting. Like quite a lot of crowd actually. I think like the easiest way to go across this mall is by going through the traffic. So for those who wants to like explore both malls, yeah, there are no bridges. I mean, of course, having a bridge would be really nice, but there are none. So you have to cross the road the old-fashioned way, and this is how that looks like. Okay, this is quite intense. All right, let's go from here. Okay, so once again, we were just on that side of the road, and yeah, this is Bangkok, people. This is Bangkok. Okay, so let's start by exploring the mall from this side. Oh, sorry, the night market from this side. Then we'll slowly walk around and see what they have to offer. Already, you can see some gadgets, clothing. So I think this is more of a clothing night market. Maybe on this side they have more clothing. So let's just walk around and see if they're all clothing or like if there's something else. Okay, so far just clothing, both male and female clothing. I'm not sure how much this costs, but we have Calvin Klein. Okay, I mean these are all brands, right? So I mean, of course they're like not. What Villa was fixed a little bit. It's more like stretching the difference, but yeah, I'm sure you got what I mean. Well, in a way, the price ain't so bad for what you're getting. Some of these are going for 250. I mean, from 150 to 250, an average cost. So in a way, it's not so bad. It's quite decent. Quality wise, it's a little bit thick on the fingers, but I mean, it means it's decent as well. You have some flip flops, 159, two for 300. Okay, not bad. But where are the food? Okay, so I reckon on this side there are no food, I guess, because all I see are clothing. So this must be a night market for clothing. I see a little Buddha. I wonder how much it's gonna cost. So these ones here says like a magnet. These ones are like 35 bucks a piece. I think we might come back for those Buddha statues later. I mean, to be fair, the prices are a little bit. They are actually quite okay. They ain't that stiff. They ain't that loose either. It's just the right fit, you know. It still wiggles a little bit in the middle. You can still feel what you're doing. That's pretty much what they have to offer. Clothing, souvenirs, mostly clothing, not much gadgets. So now the question is this market meant for locals or for foreigners? And I am guessing probably for both. I don't know. Okay, so I saw the statue somewhere around here, like the Buddha statue, the Buddhist statue. Let's check it out again and see the price and if it's something we can actually afford. If I mean, I reckon we can bargain our way through the price a little bit, but let's just see what the cost will be. This seems legit. Oh, this is awesome. Hello. How much is this? 100. Oh, that's actually not bad. Is it wood? Lace. What is that? Is that plastic? Like almost plastic. Okay. And how much is this one? Everything 100. Almost. Everything almost 100. Okay, 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 okay. Ooh, it's heavy. This is a little bit too heavy. But this guy looks interesting. Tray, right? Ashtray. Huh? Like for smoking and then you. Yeah, for smoke. Okay. If I take these two, how much you give me? No discounts? Oh, come on, give me a discount. I like this one though. This looks really cool. Looks like me in real life. Okay, let's take this one. How much is this? Give me a discount.
If you buy three 100, yeah.
If I buy three.
Yeah, you can mix here.
Uh oh. It's running. No, too tiny. Okay, I will take this one. Yeah. Okay, so I got no discounts. I tried. She gave me no discounts, man. But anyhow, I still think for 100, that is still not a bad deal. Although we do have to stop buying these little things because they are not that practical when you have too much. But yeah, as you can see here, you can buy a handful of souvenirs. She has like all the Thai stickers, some Buddhas. Don't know what the heck this is, but sure. And almost everything for 100, including if you buy three pieces, you got 100. So not so bad. Also 100. You gotta give me a discount. Just kidding, just kidding. Thank you very much, Kapunka. All right, so we got our first in here from the markets. We just paid 100 baht for an ashtray. I mean, I wouldn't say it's expensive, given the fact that it looks really cool. So that's what you want. Something cool, not overpriced, and dope. I am really tempted to go in the mall and then just like walk through and come back out from the other side just to see what they have. But then again, this is also a very big mall. Yeah, but then if I go in, I might end up buying something else. I don't want to buy anything else, right? Okay, so we are in the mall, and the first thing I see are like more souvenirs, more statues. Interesting. But those ones looks quite expensive. I'm just looking at the statues, but too big. Yeah, I can see. Oh, cool. Okay, so apparently I can take a closer look. Although I already bought one, but let's see. Oh, look, similar stuff. How much is this?
It's a 200, my friend.
200, okay. That looks really nice. 200. Almost everything 200? All the small ones.
Yeah, this is the 200. This is 300.
Oh, okay. So you have like the 100.
Yeah.
It's 100 per piece. Oh, wow. This is amazing. How much is this one?
This one also give you 300 for you. If this one also I give you 200 for you, that is 200 each.
Oh, these are two and these are
Yeah,
three.
yeah.
Oh, wow. Huh. It looks really nice though. Oh, and then there are the tiny ones. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so I suspected things are a little bit more pricey in the mall than outside of the mall. So the same statue that she just showed me was 200, and then the one and the lady outside said 100, like a whole hundred difference. So apparently the one I just got would have cost like 200 in the mall, but outside it's just 100. So maybe I might go back and get one more statue, or maybe I will not. Okay.
ครั้งที่แล้วก็ปิดใช่ไหม
Well, this mall is pretty chill. It's also for clothing, for gadgets, souvenirs. Wow, it goes all the way up. It's a big one. So people are like already packing their bags and heading home. Speaking of bags, a lot of bags. All right, I think we should go back outside. I don't feel like doing the mall, so let's go outside. And how do we go outside? Oh, there's a main entrance. Nice. We are outside. Remember, we came from that direction, from the crossroads. So we're about to do the other direction of the same night market. And let's see what they have on this side. So once again, they're all clothing, bags, and so on. Okay, this part is a bit more open because the guy is buying a watch. I wouldn't buy a watch in this market. I wouldn't buy a whole thing that needs to have value in this market. Oh no, dog, please, I know you want it. Alright, this seems to be a very popular shop selling sunglasses. Ooh, anime figures. Okay, we have some figures. What have we got here? In a way, it's safe to say that. Oh wow, look at that. It's just got like a bit bigger. In a way, it's safe to say that you can pretty much buy anything as well at this market. Wow, that's very impressive. Alright. Oh wow, those are pretty cool. That's some serious math skills right there. Oh, here you have some food. Very hidden, very far away. Selling Thai food. Okay, okay. I guess it's safe to say. I guess it's safe to say that this market is cheap, but I think it's once again it's full of fake items. So if you're gonna be doing some shopping around here, it's smart to be smart. And yeah, it is a very cheap market. Whenever I see these elephants, I just wanna like, ooh, it's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. Hello, it's heavy, heavy, too heavy. But how much is this? 220. It's a bit too heavy. My luggage is small. 80. 180. I was like 80. I take it, no? 80 sounds good, right? We do 80. No, but still too heavy. You have a small one, like not so heavy? Not those ones. No, I don't like those ones. I like the one that looks like wood. It's very heavy. It's too heavy. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, I mean she did drop the price from 180 to 150, which was decent. Glasses. No, thank you. Oh wow, these are like branded items, bro. There is no way none of these are real, man. No way. Okay, it's getting a little bit crowded in here. People are flocking in. Sorry. So once again, we are in what is it called again? Ratchatawi. Ratchatawi. Oh my days. Yeah, my Thai is as good as my English. Ooh, that hurts. Okay, once again, we are here at Ratchatawi. It's famous for the fashion market and also it's famous for actually three malls. Like I just explained, you have one mall right over there. This is another mall. Then there is the big C on the corner. There are no direct connection here, so you do have to walk a little bit from wherever you're at. But all in all, it's a good location. You do have a boat station, like the Thai boat ride. It's somewhere around that corner over there. So it's also quite easy to get from there here, and also from Carlson Road. It's also quite easy to get to from Carlson Road because of the boat ride. Yeah. Okay, what you're gonna do now is we're gonna walk all the way back to the first night market, and we have to cross the road again because this is the only way. Oh my days! Look at the amazing traffic in the mountains. Oh my days! Way too much cars, man. Oh my days! This is not really green. Oh my days! Now you can see everyone rushing because these lights turn red really, really quickly. It takes like 2 minutes, maybe about a minute or so, and then boom, back to being on red. It all goes on. Alright, so let's walk through this night market again. I believe this was full of food, so we can try some stuff. But once again, we are still here in Bangkok. So remember, if you like what you have seen so far, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Leave a comment, and of course, leave a like. Okay, so we are back at the food night market. Spring rolls are my favorites, the buds. People are quite friendly, to be fair. They ain't camera shy. They wave at you, they smile at you. Oh, that looks good. Hello. Pretty fascinating how all these are food. That we had before. I mean, they're all inviting to have a look. Eh? Okay, so that was that. There is really nothing I want to try. This is the mall. I'm not going to go in the mall. I don't feel like going the mall. So we are probably just going to make one more round. And this time around, we are going to speed through. I did saw few things that looks interesting. There is the mango smoothie, but we have consumed way too much sweets for today. But maybe one more. Why not? It never hurts to try something again. Oh wow, the mall does look quite tempting though. I'm very tempted to go in the mall, but it's mega mall, man. If I go in here, it's like 1 hour, 2 hours. And we don't have 2 hours to spend in the mall, so I can't. There was a fried chicken for 100 baht. It's quite tempting. It's okay. Not like you.